What is going on, guys? Tempo Trades. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I made $25,000 today. This is my best day of 2026. We're going to show you exactly how we did it and what our thought process was, okay? So I just want to start off by saying that it was extremely bearish off open. Very, very bearish. Very, very volatile, okay? You could see that off the open, we dumped 200 points pretty quickly, okay? Now, when we were doing that, we were sweeping a bunch of liquidity levels, okay? All of these red lines are high time frame sell side levels. This level right here is our London low, and these two red levels are 4-hour or hourly lows. They're automatically marked out by my indicator, okay? On top of that, if we drop or we go to the hourly time frame, you could see we're hitting these gaps. We're going through fair value gaps. We're just hitting a ton of things that are showing me that we are due for a reversal, okay? So let me go all the way back here. So that's kind of my thought process. I was looking for longs the whole morning, to be honest. Like, at first, I told my Discord, I was like, hey, I'm going to look for longs once 680 gets swept, which is London low. That didn't happen. Price kept going. And I literally, for the next 30 minutes, just sat out, didn't get FOMO, didn't try to chase this move because it doesn't align with my system. And I just waited for my opportunity. And then finally, let me find it. Finally, we end up taking this long right here, okay? We end up taking this long right here. And again, why did I take this long? You know, what are the confluences for this long? Well, we're in discount of the range. We just sold off so much so quickly that we are due for a retracement back down to the equilibrium of the daily range. Really good momentum. Really good momentum through this gap. I mean, this is a 78.3 minute candle showing us a ton of bullish momentum there. We also put in a 3-minute bullish order block at the bottom, okay? Again, another confluence that we have here, swept a ton of sell side liquidity. You know, we swept London low, hourly low, 4-hour low, so many lows that just the chances that we actually go for that reversal are just getting higher and higher the deeper in discount we get. So yeah, and off of that, I ended up taking this 3-minute short right here. My fill ended up being about 630 because I added some up here and then price pulled back and I added some here. So 630 was my fill. And I was using a heart for this one. Typically, I like to use a soft stop, meaning I don't actually place a stop loss. I'm waiting for price to actually close underneath the gap if I were to get out. But for this specific scenario, I noticed how aggressive, how volatile price was being. So I knew that that was just a terrible idea. And I just set a hard stop at about 20 points. So it was like somewhere in this vicinity right here. So yeah, that was pretty much the idea of the trade. This was one of the major TPs. Let me go right here. This was one of the major TPs right here. I ended up taking a little bit off at 20 points. And then this was my first major TP. And then basically, let me remove this. Basically, here is 50% of the daily range. Again, you're gonna see this and how magical this level is. I use it every single day and it gives me setups and it helps me every single day to make 5 figures with these prop firms. You're gonna see. So at this point, you can see here, I called out down to 1 micro. Last trim is going off at 709. Okay, so I trimmed everything but 1 micro in case we wanted to keep going, basically, right? So I sat in this for actually a good bit of time, and then price finally made its way and hit that level, and you can see then I said boom, final TP hit, I'm out, 80 points of profit. And it was amazing, and we were only risking about 20 points. So again, it's almost a 1 to 4 RR trade. So if you were to hold it the whole way. Obviously we're not, so it's a little bit less how the math works out, but you understand what I'm saying. So yeah, I mean, this is one of the best trades I've taken the whole year. Again, very, very little drawdown. We didn't even go back and test this gap whatsoever, and the momentum was just so good. And when you're trading ICT, when you're trading liquidity and you're doing all that stuff, like, this is my checklist. These are the important things that you have to look out for, you know? Is it inside of the 930 kill zone, the New York AM kill zone? Yes, it was. Is it on the right side of premium and discount? Yes, it was. Did we get major sweeps of liquidity? Yes, we did. I wouldn't say we got instant reactions. You know, we did not get instant reactions, so number 4 is not there, but 1 through 3 are there. The next thing, was there strong momentum above or below the gap? Yes. Like I just said, this is insanely good momentum. This is a 80-point candle through the gap. Very, very good momentum. And are there clear areas to target? Yes. We had this swing high right here, and the 50% retracement was the second area to target. So really, really good trade. And I'm super, super happy with how today went. I mean, again, here are my profits. Personally, that's off of, I copy trade over 30 prop firm accounts at once. So that is not just on one account, but, you know, and then we have some of our members here that also took it with me. And shout out to Natalie, who just got their first payout today. And then shout out to Sleepy, who got their first payout of 2026 yesterday. So that is basically it. That is basically the entire trade. That's the entire breakdown. Again, I am a reversal trader. A lot of traders here probably made money on the way down, and that's completely okay. But I have found that there's more money to be made. There's more of an edge, and the RR is way better when you trade reversals, because again, if you can actually catch the start of that move, you're going to be able to hit 100 points very consistently. We catch 100-point trades every single week. With these reversals. So I didn't get any FOMO during this like sell-off right here. I didn't try to chase it. I didn't try to scalp points. I simply just waited for my model to present itself, and I capitalized. And that is what trading is all about, guys. All right. So last but not least, I have if you are interested and you want to learn directly from me, I have a one-on-one mentorship where I have a couple slots open right now. And we are basically guaranteeing you a payout in the next 90 days. We will work with you one-on-one with one-on-one calls, psychology review, journal review, weekly group coaching calls, and everything like that. We're going to look at your trading inside and out, A to Z. So if you're serious about trading and you want to make this your full-time job in 2026, you can apply below. Link is in the description. That's going to be it for me. See you next time. Peace.